Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I have edited this picture. So for editing that picture I have used Snapseed. So first I will select the picture, then tools, then vintage. I will increase the brightness little bit and I will increase the saturation also 47. I will increase the style strength plus 70, and now I will go to portrait. I always use spotlight too. Now I will go to skin smoothing and I will increase it plus 30. Then I will go to vignette and I will decrease the outer brightness and increase the inner brightness plus 10. And now you can see the difference. So I hope you all like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.